Well, 3008. What are you after? I haven't heard from you. Sorry, yeah, violence is definitely not the answer. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to vlog. Guys, if you did not see my last video, some dude with a debit card that ends in 3008 vandalized my dream house. I was hoping to hear from him, get like a heartfelt apology. No news is bad news, so I think we gotta call the police. And on that bombshell, I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by SimpliSafe. Now, as much fun as it is to make fun of 3008, I still can't believe you left a receipt at the crime scene. We got a lot more important things to do today. The dream house, we got more walls today. These guys are working around the clock. The Ferrari 458, she's done, boys. And when I say she's done, she's not really done, but she's kind of sort of done. The wide body is done. And then I might be buying a Ford Bronco. Wait, what? So we're driving over to the dream house, which seems like a prime opportunity to tell you guys about my dating life. Now, generally speaking, I have no girls whatsoever slide into my DMs. And now, post beard, I have one. That's right, baby, that's right. And this girl's cute, like she's way out of my league. She sent me a DM and all she said was H-E-Y-Y. I don't know. What do I say to that? I get hyped for a lot of things in my life. I might be more hyped about this than I am about my couch. We have another wall, but not just any wall, a big wall. Like I said, guys, the walls on this house are going up so fast. Check this out. These framers are like working nonstop around the clock. That is so sick. Massive bay window right there. There's gonna be a sliding glass door out to a deck. This is where the hot tub is, like, hot tub. I definitely want to give a shout out to these framers. Like, they are working around the clock and it's like pouring rain right now. You can see they're building the wall that's gonna lay right up right there. This wall's already built too. I don't actually know where that's going, but it's all happening so fast. Every day, like every step along the way, it gets easier and easier to visualize the house being done. So I'm not sure exactly how much framing is gonna get done today because the forecast is showing a lot of rain, but if things go well, they're actually gonna start framing the garage portion as well. You can see they've started to build this wall here. They're gonna lay that upward, and I think they're hoping to do this like entire half of the garage right here. They actually cut the concrete yesterday as well for the driveway. It's all happening so fast, but the real question, H-E-Y-Y, like what do you say to that? It's like she slid into my DMs. Shouldn't it be on her to like start the conversation? Now it's on me. Well, we just stumbled across some more evidence. It's crazy. The pool is like blood red right now. And check this out. We have the red dye that the dude mixed with a Dr. Pepper. I still find it hilariously ironic. This dude left every single piece of evidence. He left the dye, he left the Dr. Pepper, the receipt, the plastic bags. I still don't even understand like the entire point of this. We have stains like everywhere. Like he scattered it everywhere. You can see all the markings over here in this corner as well. Luckily, I talked to my builders. They said we can probably get it out. The only issue is it's gonna cost me some money, but luckily we have a debit card, 3008. I'm just kidding. We're not gonna charge you, but if we could, that'd be great. We just found some more evidence, and I don't know if you guys are ready for this. I don't know how far down this rabbit hole we want to go. As far as we know, this could be the new like Netflix docu-series. It's like hype, but on that bombshell, quite good. Now we have all sorts of really cool updates in today's video, and yes indeed, ladies and gentlemen, I just installed SimpliSafe's new outdoor camera, which is today's video sponsor. You guys know SimpliSafe, and you guys know I love SimpliSafe, and that's because I use it almost every single day. At some point during the day, I access the live feed on my cell phone of the Simply cams to make sure my cars are safe, the house is safe, that Oscar is safe. Guys, right now, SimpliSafe is offering their best deal of the entire year. We're talking upwards of 50% off. SimpliSafe.com/StradMan. You guys can get started for right around 50 cents a day. There's no contracts required, and SimpliSafe is monitored by professionals 24/7. So I first installed my SimpliSafe home security system about a year ago. It took me less than an hour to do the entire process, and last week I just installed the SimpliSafe wireless outdoor camera. Guys, it's 100% waterproof. It has 1080p HD resolution, 8x zoom. Even at night, it has a built-in spotlight for color night vision. How dope is that? The field of view is crazy wide, 140 degrees, so you can protect the entire front perimeter of the house. Now, probably my favorite SimpliSafe security device is the front doorbell camera. When somebody comes and knocks on my door, I pull out my cell phone, I can see who's standing at the front door. If it's FedEx, fantastic, I go sign for the package. If it's somebody I don't want to talk to, I'm good. So guys, right now is SimpliSafe's biggest sale of the entire year. You can save up to 50% or more on your SimpliSafe home security system. All you gotta do is check out the link below, simplisafe.com/StradMan. Guys, protect yourself today before it's too late. Really know where to begin right now. The trend just continues. Ladies and gentlemen, my Ferrari 458 Liberty Walk. The one thing I will point out, there's no duct tape. On the Aventador Roadster, there's duct tape, whereas this car is somewhat pieced together a little bit better. We have the over fenders for the Liberty Walk wide body kit. We have the full carbon ducktail or duck bill. What is this called? Does anybody know? Let me know in the comments below. And yes, the car is half wrapped, half unwrapped, kind of sort of janky at best. I just love the aggression of this front bumper. It reminds me of a 458 GT3 car. You have the carbon splitter right there as well. Now, one thing I gotta figure out, I need a carbon hood for this car. Liberty Walk makes one. I think it's like $7,000. Is it worth it? Probably not, but should we do it? Absolutely. And yes, I have a set of Vorsteiner wheels coming to the channel sooner than you think. They're about 4 weeks out. We gotta paint the entire car though, so we have plenty of time. Now, all that being said, this car looks so dope. Like, with a little bit of an imagination, you can visualize what this car is gonna look like. One of my all-time favorite cars in the world is the Liberty Walk Ferrari 458. It looks so dope. I can see you guys typing away. You're wondering, why do we always do this? Why do we reveal the car when it's not quite done? Because, like, sometimes the build is actually more fun than the final product. And, like, visualizing this car, it is gonna look so sick. What color do we do though? Purple. Maybe. I'm just saying, like, purple wide body Ferrari 458 with a pink wide body Lamborghini Aventador. Those two together, that might be it. Oh, no, no, go, go. Oh my gosh. This car sounds so good. Also, it just started raining and we do not have windshield wipers. Radar is also going off. That's a cop, that's a cop. No, it's not a cop. That's an F-150. Well, it's never good when you're pulling over after a quick freeway run with a wide body Ferrari. What did we lose? Did we lose anything? We're good.
It's the same exact thing.
Wait, seriously?
It's not as bad though.
What do you mean the same exact thing?
Look.
They don't know about that.
We didn't tell them about that.
Oh gosh, really? We lost. We lost it. I don't know how well you guys can see, but the under tray piece right there, it fell off. We're good. And to think you guys doubted. Why are you always down? We're fine. Let her rip, get her chip. Oh. You know, this right here seems like a prime opportunity to exit off the freeway. Don't look, don't look, don't look. You see that guy right there? That guy right there, this oh wait, actually, we're gonna put it in rain mode. We're gonna downshift. Luke is gonna say a prayer. Another downshift, and go. And of course, naturally, that's the Utah Hypertrust radar going off. I don't know, guys. I kind of sort of want a Bronco. I canceled my Bronco order, what, 6 months ago. I pre-ordered a year and a half ago because I can get a hardtop. Now the Broncos have hit the secondary market. This one is so sick. So we're gonna go on a very short test drive, I guess. This thing is dope. I kind of sort of like it. I have the TRX, which has a Hellcat. This definitely does not have a Hellcat, but is this a 4-cylinder? I feel like it's a 4-cylinder. Is it a 4-cylinder? No, it's a 6-cylinder. V6. V6. This Bronco is brand spanking new. We're talking 23.2 miles on it, so we're not gonna drive it very far. Also, we're in a department store. We're in an old Macy's right now. We're here at Automotive Addiction, and we're gonna do one loop and check out the other cars. We only have one goal, and that is to not crash into anything whatsoever. Luckily, we have experience, we have history driving racing in the mall. I think it's safe to say we do like the dumbest things on my channel. We're just casually driving by a GT3 RS in a department store. We have a McLaren 12C, and if you look closely, you can see us go by. Hello. That Bronco is dope though. We got all the Ferraris over here, and yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is a 25th anniversary Lamborghini Countach. We got to park for this one. Now I kind of sort of have some emotional news. Last week, I actually bid on a Lamborghini Countach, a 1988 and a half on Bring a Trailer. I bid $510,000, and the winning bid was $511,000, so we lost. I know what everybody's gonna say. The Lamborghini Countach is the worst car in the world, and that's kind of why I want one. Like, look at it. It's such a crazy looking car. Every single Lamborghini built after the Countach was designed after the Countach. The angular design, the wedge shape, it's such an iconic car. This car would look so good in the Batcave someday, one day. Unfortunately, this particular car is not for sale, but we're on the hunt for a Countach, so if you have one, call me maybe. Now obviously this is somewhat of an unconventional test drive. That being said, at 3 miles an hour it drives quite nice and quite smooth. A lot of torque, a lot of power, and that V6 EcoBoost, she just purrs. The real automotive journalists, they took the Bronco to Moab. We're driving through a mall. So we're not gonna do anything crazy, just a mild acceleration. Woo! Oh geez, oh my gosh, the turbos kicked in right there. I thought we were gonna go to the wall. That'd be a hard conversation to have. Are we insured inside of a mall? We never quite figured that out. I don't think we are. That right there is going to conclude our test drive. We went a whole total of 0.2 of a mile, a couple baby revs. Really doesn't sound very good at all. I kind of sort of want it. Should we buy it, Luke? I think maybe we should buy it. Should we buy it?
Yeah, absolutely.
What do you think, Yar? Can we buy it? How much?
Like 100 over sticker?
Oh. Okay, deal. 100 over sticker. What's crazy is though, a lot of the Broncos, they're selling for like $30, $40, $50,000 over sticker. I also love those headlights. Those are so dope. This thing, MSRP, $58,000. So honestly, real market value is probably like what, 90, 100K? I don't know. What do you guys think? 100K for a Bronco. Is that a good deal, Luke? Also, I much appreciate it. This is why you get paid the big bucks. That's like A-class service, full service right there. Goodness. She might look ugly. She don't sound ugly though. Well, next time you see her, she's gonna be looking a whole lot better than this. Who am I kidding? She's gonna look exactly the same. But that being said, she's headed off to paint in about 2 or 3 weeks. I don't know what color, but I think purple maybe. You guys never cease to amaze me. In the last video, we got 100,000 likes within like 17 hours for the NASCAR on the lake bed. We also discovered, or you told me that driving this thing at 200 miles an hour on the dirt is not a good idea. That being said, there's off-road, there's dirt tires we can buy. So step 1, we gotta buy tires, dirt tires, and then step 2, lake bed, 200 miles an hour. Yeah? Yeah. It's been a long day. It's been a good day. Hey, bud. The day just got real good. I missed you. Yeah, I missed you. I am just completely exhausted. I feel like today was very chaotic. Driving in the rain without windshield wipers, not the best decision, but the house is looking so dope. And that Bronco, what do you guys think? Would you like to see me buy a Bronco for the channel? Let me know below. But today's video is over. Now that I've hired Luke, OSHA has like these requirements for a 15-minute break. So this is his 15-minute break. He wants to come ride the Magnum car.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, unbelievable.
I think I'm gonna go.